Data loss can occur due to deletion, crashes, or malware. That's why reliable Android backup tools are essential. In this video, we'll cover the 10 best Android backup apps to protect your data. Top 1. Best Android Backup Software. Android Backup and Restore. As the best Android phone backup software for PC or Mac, MobiKin Backup Manager for Android is a comprehensive solution for data safekeeping. Step 1. Have the program downloaded and install it on your computer. Launch it and connect Android to the computer through USB. Then, follow the easy guide to get your phone recognized by the software. Step 2. Choose Backup. Once your gadget is detected, tap the Backup option from the main interface. Soon, you'll see a list of data types on the screen. Step 3. Start Backup now. You can check any file types and tap Browser to set the location of your PC or Mac. Lastly, you can click Backup to save the stuff to your computer. If you want to restore your phone from the backup you ever made, just get into the main window of the program, tap Restore, and choose the file categories from the backups. Next, click Restore again to put the chosen items from your computer into Android. Top 2. Assistant for Android. As a light and intuitive mobile backup software, MobiKin Assistant for Android aids you in backing up and managing your devices straight from the PC or Mac. Top 3. Google Drive. Google Drive lets you back up Android data via your Google account, providing access to your files anywhere. Trusted and widely used, this service securely stores media, SMS, contacts, and more. Top 4. MOBILedit. As one of the best Android backup apps, MOBILedit can automatically safeguard your Android device. While you browse the program, the backup files are saved in an offline folder or cloud service. Top 5. MoboRobo. With MoboRobo, a remarkable Android phone backup app, you can preserve your call logs, contacts, messages, images, music, files, and even apps. It also offers a fast and secure data restoration facility. Top 6. Mobogenie. Being the best free backup app for Android designed specifically for your Android cell phones, Mobogenie includes useful extras such as photos, music, videos, and document controllers. Top 7. Mobisynapse. Mobisynapse is an Android backup and restore app that allows you to back up apps, SMS, and contacts from your Android phone onto your PC. It integrates with Outlook seamlessly. Top 8. SyncDroid. SyncDroid is an amazing product that lets you transfer, back up, edit, manage, and view Android backup files on a PC. This Android backup app facilitates you to transfer contacts, photos, call logs, messages, and other data between your phone and PC. Top 9. Swift Backup. Swift Backup is a versatile Android backup app suitable for both rooted and non-rooted devices. It supports backing up apps, SMS, call logs, and applied wallpapers for non-rooted devices. Top 10. Degoo. Degoo is ideal for Android users looking for a reliable and spacious cloud storage solution. Its straightforward backup functionality ensures your data is always protected, making it a dependable option for preserving personal and professional files.